Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular power supplies, the Segotep 750W and the MSI MAG A550BN. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and performance to help you decide which power supply is the best fit for your gaming setup. Let's dive in! When it comes to wattage, the Segotep 750W clearly outshines the MSI MAG A550BN with its impressive 750 watts of power. This makes it an ideal choice for high-end gaming systems that require more power, especially when using multiple GPUs or overclocking. On the other hand, the MSI MAG A550BN, with its 550 watts, is better suited for budget builds or systems with moderate power demands. If you're planning to run high-performance components, the Segotep is the way to go. In terms of energy efficiency, the Segotep 750W boasts an 80+ Gold certification, which means it operates at a higher efficiency level, reducing energy waste and heat generation. This is particularly beneficial for gamers who want to keep their systems cool and save on electricity bills. Conversely, the MSI MAG A550BN is rated at 80+ bronze, which, while still decent, does not match the efficiency of the Segotep. For those who prioritize energy savings, the Segotep is the superior choice. Another significant difference lies in the design. The Segotep 750W features a fully modular design, allowing users to connect only the cables they need, which greatly improves cable management and airflow within the case. This is especially important for gamers who want a clean and organized build. In contrast, the MSI MAG A550BN is a non-modular power supply, meaning all cables are permanently attached. This can lead to clutter and reduced airflow, making the Segotep a more appealing option for those who value aesthetics and performance. To wrap up, the Segotep 750W power supply is an excellent choice for high-performance systems with its higher wattage, better efficiency, and modular design. However, if you're on a budget and have moderate power needs, the MSI MAG A550BN is a solid option that won't break the bank. Remember to consider your specific requirements before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.